One of the things I miss about Nigeria right now is food. Food. Hey lovelies, and you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Adeze Ewebu. If this is your first time seeing this lovely face, welcome. And to my returning subscribers, I salute you guys. Welcome back. Thank you for always tuning in. I create wholesome content around my faith, beauty, family, lifestyle, and as well as my experiences as a Nigerian living in South Africa. So if this sounds like what you are interested in, then stick around, hit the subscribe button, join the family. All right, don't stay outside. So a lot of you guys have been telling me you want to know more about Nigerians because I have a lot of South African subscribers, and then you guys want to know more about Nigeria, I should make Nigerian content and all of that. So in this video, I'm going to tell you 5 fun facts about Nigeria. A lot of you guys know Nigeria from the things you hear from the media and maybe from friends and all of that. So I'm here to bring to you 5 things that you may not know about Nigeria, but you are gonna know today. If that sounds like what you are interested in hearing, let's go right into the video. Nigeria is the most populous nation in Africa, all right? And the 7th most popular country in the world with about more than 213 million citizens, more than 213 million people. And it's located in the west coast of Africa. That is just the background history of the nation. Number 1 fun fact about Nigeria is that we have more than 500 indigenous languages spoken in Nigeria, ranging from Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, Ibibio, Tiv, a lot of languages spoken in Nigeria. Yes, in one country. And the second fun fact about Nigeria is Lagos is not the capital of Nigeria, like most people think. Yeah, because I believe that Lagos is very, popular whenever you talk to somebody here, they'll be like, do you stay in Lagos? No, Lagos actually is popular, but not the capital of Nigeria. However, Lagos has a population of over 14 million. Yes, that's why it's always crowded. Like, yeah, it's the economic hub of the nation. And in 1991, FCT Abuja took over and became the capital of Nigeria. So right now, Lagos is not the capital of Nigeria, rather Abuja is the capital of Nigeria, right? The second one is that Nigeria has more than 250 ethnic groups. Yeah, more than 250 ethnic groups, and with diverse culture, tradition, religion, and all of that, right? And I know that the 3 ethnic groups that are very popular, that a lot of people know, are like the Hausas, the Igbos, the Yorubas. Yeah, but we have several others, very diverse nation, very diverse in culture. All right, and the next one is Nigeria is the largest producer of oil and gas in Africa. Nigeria is the largest producer of oil and gas in Africa, period. And Nigeria has a passive reserve of oil and gas. Yeah, I'm sure we all know that, right? Yeah, but I just had to put it out there. Right, and the next one is Nigeria has lots of delicacies. Hey. One of the things I miss about Nigeria right now is food. Nigerian food. Nigeria has lots of delicacies. Like, you want to try them out. You want to taste them. You want to eat them, honestly. And little wonder, just the recent Guinness World Record holder is a Nigerian, a lady, a 27-year-old lady, Hilda Basi. She just won the Guinness World Record of an individual cooking for the longest hour. And Guinness has confirmed it for 93 hours and 3 hours, 11 minutes, or thereabout. Cooking different delicacies. So one thing you want to try out once you enter into Nigeria is the Nigerian food. We have different delicacies. I can't even stress on this enough. I love food about Nigeria. And yeah, all over the world, I don't think anyone beats Nigeria in delicacies. Argue with yourself. I was just joking right there. All right, guys, the next one is A Nigerian was the first African to receive a Nobel Prize award. I'm sure the name Wole Soyinka in literature, actually, I'm sure the name Wole Soyinka is a very familiar name. Yes, Wole Soyinka. He is a Nigerian, and he was the first person that received a Nobel Prize award, and that is amazing. We have a lot of brains in Nigeria. A lot of brains in Nigeria. One of the things going for Nigerians is that they are very, very intelligent and very active intellectually. I won't even lie. Yes. And he received this prize in 1986, as far back as 1986. Yes. And the next one is the Nigerian movie industry, Nollywood. I'm sure we all know Nollywood. That's the Nigerian movie industry. Every child watched Nollywood growing up. And do you know that Nollywood is larger than Hollywood in terms of releasing movies every year? Yes. Nigerian movie industry, Nollywood, is greater and larger than Hollywood in terms of releasing movies every single year. Yes. Nigeria is the highest in the world. The first is Bollywood and Nollywood is the second. Can you beat that? Yes, we have a growing audience internationally. Everybody, you watching me, I know you've watched several of Nollywood movies. Yes, the audience is growing far and wide, and I'm so proud of the Nigerian movie industry. And they're still growing, improving, releasing more movies, releasing beautiful movies. Yes, that is one fun fact about Nigeria. And the next one is Nigeria is home to the richest man in Africa, Aliko Dangote. I'm sure most of us know this name. It rings the bell. He's a businessman in Nigeria. He has businesses, chains of businesses in Nigeria, ranging from, like, you know, your staple food like spaghetti, your flour, your sugar, your detergent, your cement. He has chains of businesses, and he is the richest man in Africa. Nigerians are hardworking. I can repeat it again. Nigerians are hardworking. Yes, hardworking wherever they find themselves. You know, even the system in Nigeria is not even so awesome, and they still thrive, let alone when a Nigerian leaves the shores of the country and travels abroad. Nigerians are very, very hardworking and productive, resourceful. Whenever you have a Nigerian in your team, you have someone, I tell you. So the richest man in Africa, I didn't say in Nigeria, I said in the whole of Africa, is a Nigerian. Fun fact. Guys, and the next one and the final one is Nigeria is home to the oldest dye pit. You know, sadly right now, people don't wear these clothes, tie and dye now. But when it was in vogue, Nigeria was home to the biggest dye pit in Africa, right? It is still available right now though, but no longer so functional as it used to be. The different patterns made in these indigo fabrics required precision, you know, and attention. It was founded in 1498 in Kano State. Yes, the oldest dye pit in Africa was in Nigeria. And with that, I wrap up the fun fact about Nigeria, things that you didn't know. If you have any questions about Nigeria, I am gonna be so happy to answer you in the comment section, right? Thank you so much, guys, for always engaging in my content. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel till I come your way. If there is any other video you want me to do, please write it in the comment section and I would see it and consider making the video. Till next time, stay blessed, stay fabulous. Bye, guys.